Hey guys, they're going to be making cucumber, lemon and ginger water. For the recipe you need cucumbers, lemon and ginger. First of all, I will prep all my ingredients and I'll be right back with you. Now that all my ingredients are prepped, I will now start the tea. First of all, I will add my sliced cucumbers. Next, I will add some lemon and squeeze a bit in there. An extra nice lemony flavour. Next, I will add 3 slices of ginger. The ginger helps with acid digestion, and the lemon can improve weight loss. The cucumber also helps with your skin appearance, nice smooth and supple skin, and helps with hydration. I'll give it a quick stir and let it set for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is now ready to be drunk. As I said again, this has many amazing benefits, and this is a very good weight loss drink. Drink for up to 5 days to receive the full benefits. Thanks for watching, bye! Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.